Well, day 2 of my swarm. And you can see they've been like this pretty much most of the day. And what's interesting is there's actually drones flying in this swarm, so they are waiting outside hoping for other females to come out that they can mate with. I've seen some females flying away with drones riding them, which is probably a lot of weight to carry. And I've got bees that are coming in as well, so I need to put those ones outside periodically. They're making their way in. It's pretty cool to be able to just walk amongst the bees. And they don't seem to mind. Sometimes they land on me, use me as a bit of a sunning spot. But they're all pretty much interested in one thing, which is just making the next generation. And I'm glad I can provide them with some homes to help them.